Hello, this is not what I actually look like, and I'm not actually on a beach, but I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use the Internet Archive. So for some stories, I will have a link that will take you, I will show you this. This is the link that I give you for the story, The Lottery. So let me share my screen. So when you click on it, you will end up here. The Internet Archive is an online library. It's really a wonderful service. And you're going to need to create a free account. Notice I already have, I've signed in. Now that I've signed in, I see, okay, it says the lottery and other stories, but I'm not really seeing anything. So I'm going to click on borrow for 1 hour, and notice you can renew every hour as long as it is available. So I borrow for 1 hour. Soon I will see, here it comes. All right, it's already at the page that you need. And that's kind of small print. So I'm going to go down here where it says zoom in. So I'll make it larger. Click the arrows to turn the pages. Notice, let me redo this. To make it a favorite, which I recommend, you just click favorite. And that way, when you come back later and log in, you can click on your name, go to my favorites, and you can go to the book that you have favorited. When you're finished reading your book, you can click return now, and you have returned the book. And that is how to use the Internet Archive links that I have given you. All right, have fun. Thanks.